Hi, and welcome to this course, Microsoft AZ-900 Azure Fundamentals. This is the first course in the Azure certification journey and a fantastic place to start. If you're just jumping into Microsoft Azure or just get into cloud computing in general, this will kickstart your career. With that said, let's talk about the course and your instructor. My name is Nick Collier. I will be your instructor for this course. I've taught over 100,000 students Microsoft Azure. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer, and I've also been awarded the Microsoft MVP award for multiple years. So you are in great hands as we get underway here. The course is made up of a number of sections and modules inside those. To begin with, we'll talk about an Azure primer, just get you started. What is Microsoft Azure? How do you begin? Then we'll jump into the certification topics, describing cloud concepts, things like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, core things you need to know as you begin. We'll then move into Azure architecture. What is Azure Compute, storage, networking, identity with Microsoft's new Entra ID platform. And last but not least, the core certification topic, and one of my favorite features of Microsoft Azure, governance and management of the platform, including security. You'll learn about all those pieces so you're ready to go and take the exam. The teaching approach is very simple and concise, designed to maximize your time as you're learning with me. We'll educate, enable, and empower you. Educate through video lectures designed to inform the fundamental topics you need. Enable you through demos, along with study guides and a lab guide to help you practice so you're ready for the real world. And empower you with the community and access to Q&A and topics to help you as you prep for your exam and maybe get onto that future job you're looking for. With that said, join me, relax, sit back, and enjoy this course as you get started on Microsoft AZ-900 Azure Fundamentals.